Optimal learning environments and support for students is an important feature in National Education Policy 2020, NEP 2020. So let's begin with effective learning. Effective learning requires a comprehensive approach, an approach which requires or which involves appropriate curriculum, engaging pedagogies, continuous formative assessment, and adequate student support. The curriculum must be interesting and relevant and updated regularly to align with latest knowledge requirements and also to meet specified learning outcomes. So the curriculum revamping, revision, and updation plays an important role in effective learning outcome. High quality pedagogy is then necessary to successfully impart the curricular material to the student. So the pedagogies in which the lectures are delivered also play an important role. The assessment methods must be scientific, designed to continuously improve learning and test the application of knowledge. The development of capacities that promote student wellness, such as fitness, good health, psychosocial well being, sound ethical grounding, are also critical for high quality learning. Inculcating creativity and innovation. To promote creativity, the institutions need to have an autonomy to innovate on matters of curriculum, pedagogy, or assessment whenever needed. Autonomy will allow the institution to work on or to revise and revamp the curriculum, pedagogy, and the scientific way of assessment. The curriculum pedagogy designed by institutions and motivated faculty to ensure stimulating and engaging learning experience for all the learners or the students. A choice-based credit system called as CBCS will be revised for instilling innovation and flexibility in learning. Higher educational institutes will move to criterion-based grading system that assesses student achievement based on the learning goals or learning objectives of each program. So the development plan that can help in the optimal learning environment or creating optimal learning environment also is of very much importance. So the institution will integrate its academic plan into a larger IDP called as Institutional Development Plan. Each institution will be committed to holistic development of students and create strong internal systems for support for supporting diverse student cohorts in academic and social domains. The institutes will have mechanism and opportunities for funding of topic-centered clubs and activities organized by students with the help of faculty and other students. This will help them in order to better understand and better learn on the subjects and topics of relevance. Such activities over the time could be incorporated into the curriculum whenever there is a need arises out of the learning experience. So the appropriate faculty experience or expertise and campus student demand is developed. It can be incorporated into the curriculum somewhere. Faculty will have a capacity to be able to approach students not just as teachers but also as mentors and guides when we create such environment through good ITP. Inclusiveness, students from especially socio-economically disadvantaged background, we call it as SEDB, requires encouragement and support to make successful transition to higher education, especially to disadvantaged students. Need to set up high quality support centers, adequate funds and academic resources to carry out this effectively. There will be professional, academic and career counseling to all these students as well as counselors to ensure physical, psychological and emotional well-being. And the global presence is also to be ensured through the learning environment. So having larger number of international students studying in India and provide greater mobility to students in India who may wish to visit, study at, transfer credits to or carry out research institutions abroad or vice versa. So India will be promoted as a global study destination providing premier education at affordable cost, therefore and thereby helping to restore its role as a Vishwaguru, the world leader in education. The research and teaching collaborations and faculty student exchanges with high quality foreign institutions will be facilitated and relevant mutually beneficial MOUs with foreign countries will be signed. Global presence will help us in high performing Indian universities that will be encouraged to set up campuses in other countries, and similarly selected universities, maybe from among top 100 universities in the world, will be facilitated to operate in India. So legislative framework facilitating such a scheme will be put in place, and such universities will be given special dispensation pension regarding regulatory governance and content norms on par with autonomous institutions of India. Credits acquired in foreign universities will be permitted where appropriate as per the requirements of each institute to be counted for the award of degree, because we are talking about the transfer, the exchange program, student activity and participation. Vibrant campus life is essential for high quality teaching learning processes. And students will be given plenty of opportunities for participation in sports, culture, arts clubs, eco clubs, activity clubs, community service projects, etc. There shall be counseling systems for handling stress and emotional adjustments. These are also very important factors. How a student, can manage stress and emotional situations. The requisite support to the students from rural background has to be given. The institutes will ensure quality medical facilities for all the students in their institutions. And of course, financial support is also very much needed. Financial assistance to the students will be made available through various measures. The National Scholarship Portal will be expanded to support faster and track the progress of students receiving scholarships. Private institutes will be encouraged to offer large number of scholarships to their students. Thank you.